What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Miss Sunshine, here with another episode of Bulldog Books. We are going to start off today, just like we have the last couple of times, with some nonsense words. So, Miss Sunshine has her timer ready, and I am going to pull up the nonsense words. Are you ready? Get set, go. Ready, stop. Okay, this is the part where you pause the video, count the number of nonsense words you were able to read, and then compare the number you read today with the number that you read the last time. See if that number is greater. That means that you're getting better and better at reading these nonsense words. Let's move on to our book, first grade readers. This book is called Charlie's Boat. And I chose it because we all know how much I love my little Charlie girl. You guys want to see what she's doing right now? She is right there on her bed, listening to us read our book. So let's begin. Remember, you're going to read it to me, and Miss Sunshine is going to ask you questions about the setting of this book, characters that we meet, and other interesting vocabulary words we might run into. So let's take a look at this first page. Begin. And now page 3. So far, what is the setting of our story? If you said the lake and we're outside, you're correct. Let's see what happens to Charlie's boat. Ready? So the boat started out on a lake. Then what happened next in the story? If you remember, the boat sailed in a little stream. And then what happened? Then the boat ended up in a big stream. Now, what's going on presently in our story? The big stream went into a little river, and Charlie's boat is on the little river. Let's see what happens next. If you guessed that Charlie's boat was going to go from that little river into a big river, you predicted it correctly. And what does this speech bubble say? Hooray! And you can see our punctuation mark at the end of the word hooray is an exclamation point, which means we're going to read that word, that speech bubble, with a lot more feeling and expression than we might otherwise. So after Charlie's boat sailed in the little river and ended up in a big river, what happened next? That's correct. Charlie's boat went sailing out to sea. And then how did our story conclude or end? It ended up that Charlie's boat went sailing to a beach, and Charlie and his dad were there. Together, let's read these words we saw in our story. On, his, it, away, big, into, his, and little. Those are some great vocabulary words. If you want to pause and practice them again, go right ahead. Otherwise, I had a great time reading with you today, and I'll see you again next time on Bulldog Books.